stock market is rigged, and in this video, we're going to cover the 2 best trading sessions for SPY in August. We're up to the 16th, but let's see. Right here, 171% average max gain. But the important thing we're looking for right here, volume. 9,884 sweeps, big trades. That is what you want to see. That's what happens when the lizards want to make a move. And we see the same thing happen here. 168% max gain average on the 7th. So we're going to look at each one of those sessions and how we would have traded it if we were not doing whatever we were doing around the world. This session is absolutely nuts. The low, minus 12.67 from the blue line, 12 strikes down. And if you're trading 10 contracts of these bouncing bears from the open, you're turning $5,484 into $38K. 690% gain. Absolutely ridiculous. But that's the market. That's what Wall Street does. I mean, pre-market, they pump this thing up, $1.94. And then it looks like we're going to rip. Pardon me, the view's going to get a little wonky. But let's look at this thing really quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 bull bombs that are Komodo, edge, high win rate. But they all get absolutely crushed. The way you want to think about this is when volume here is spiking at 126%, you're trading this, you're salivating because it could fly from here. And historically, right, it does. The win rate on those things, let's see, 51.85%, 48%, pretty good, right? So historically, they win at about a 50% rate. But you have to remember, like 50% is only 50%. That's a coin flip. Always be prepared to be wrong. And with the volume at 126%, full send mode, the only thing we're thinking, hey, could be a trend day. Whatever direction it picks, we want to follow. And it looked like it was the perfect setup to go up. And then we get this absolute colossal monster nuke. And it was one of those days where you could have taken any of these and you were never, it was never higher. But really looking at it, this is scary, right? Because you are down. We are low. You are 6 strikes down. Anytime you're trading a trend day, you want to wait for the bounce and get back in. And just know that, hey, once we are down, -8, -9, it could go lower. And everyone wants to bounce it. But if you're trading against the trend, quick, baby, in and out. Like this one, 46% to here. But we also don't want to be late. All of these absolutely killer trades. You're getting 152%. IV was through the roof. Those contracts were expensive. And then you're winning. And then at the very end, it goes up too. But here, you don't even care anymore, right? We don't care. The only thing we're worried about is, hey, why didn't we take these on the bounce? Why didn't we take this one? After we had a little bit of a swing from -8.23 to -6.23, so you go 2 strikes up, and then boom, you get the alert, you get to follow the price action, and you win. It's that easy sometimes, only on high volume. Now, you're getting the first tradability alert right here, 10 o'clock. So we're up, tradability sends full send, and you're just waiting for this thing to pick a direction. And the direction they picked was down, and you're getting, dude, look at all of those high win rate edge bears, and they all absolutely crush it. I mean, 376% max gain. That's amazing. So TKO tradability says full send, follow the price action. You got to follow it with all of these Komodo bombs. And if you were able to hold through, oh baby, you crushed it. Now let's go look at 8-7. All right, we're here looking at August 7th. And like first glance here, you might think, hey, this is the same because we just get a crazy turbo nuke. But it's a little bit different because of volume tradability. So we open and volume's pretty low, right? At 90%. 90%, we want bears above and bulls below the blue line. So if you're taking any of these bulls right here, we're fixing these charts. Where the bears up here, you're making money, right? You're making money. In and out, quick trades, don't like holding anything from the open in case we are wrong. So you're looking here, bull below the blue, you're getting 55% very quickly. So that's the T part, right? And then we move to K, which is Komodo. We want to follow trade alerts with a high win rate. Look at this. We've reworked our front end to make everything harder, stronger, faster, as Daft Punk would like to say. And really all you need to do is look at this feed, right? We open at 9:30. All these bulls, 46.67% win rate, pretty good. But look how it switches. 10:48, bear swing, bear bomb, bear bomb, bear bomb, bear bomb. And all of these, 46% and 47.01% in the last 30 days. The Japanese yen carry, whatever thing was happening, and we went down. The market can go down. He's absolutely crushed it. And that's the Komodo part. So if you see up here, I just have 0 DTE on, Komodo only alerts. We can show everything. Look how fast that baby loads. So when we go back to 11, you start seeing, hey, the bears are winning at 46.15%. Bulls aren't. That's not. Volume's low. You're 2.11 above the blue line. Do you want to take it? Probably not. That is using rigged. One thing we'll hit on again. Win rate means any time in the session, regardless of drawdown. So this one right here, 1148, you already have a big move down. I mean, if we go to candlestick mode and just look at it, right, this is massive. That's like 2.5 strikes when this alert comes in. You are late to the trade. And when we're late, we want to use KTR. Now, KTR is the Komodo target range. So when we look at this alert, 45.90% of the time with ADV, which means it is statistically significant, but we go back to the charts like, hey, there was just a nuke, we're late. Maybe we can get in at KTR because KTR tells us when this alert wins, the average drawdown is anywhere from 162 to 179. Started at 210. And what do you notice? The low is $1.66, right in this range. So you're late to the trade. Hey, we're going to use KTR to get in. And that moves your max gain from 363.48% to 449.89%. That is using rigged and making the system work for you. Now, we're doing some things soon that are going to bring all of that into the app. For now, just watch. It's here, right? It's here. It's telling you, hey, 45.90% historically. Last 30 days, 47%. ADV. Hey, we're late. Use KTR, and bam. Biggest mistake you could make, selling for 100%. Now let's look at the rest of the session. So that's filling. This alert is filling somewhere in here. And even though, volume is not where we want, what do you notice? Like it's going up, up, up. We want to follow the price action. Once again, hey, you're late here. We are so freaking late. Let's wait for a bounce because there's always a bounce. We never just go straight down. You're going to find a better entry, and you go from minus 6.13 to minus 3.70. Same thing. KTR with these bad boys absolutely killed it.